Sports on Air.
Welcome to our post-game press conference. The Beermen remain unbeaten after their 98-91 victory against Mongolia. We are joined by best player of the game, CJ Perez, and winning coach, Coach George Campbell. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach George, high expectations for tonight's game. Number one offensive team versus the number one defensive team. What was it about Mongolia's defense tonight that made you uncomfortable?
I told the players before the game that Magnolia likes to deny passing game, so we just have to counter that, and we just have to play through it. We just cannot sit around the offense against Magnolia because when they deny you, that's gonna ruin your offense. So which we the players did them, and they were countering all of the denials of Magnolia.
Coach, veterans have been stepping up not only in San Miguel but throughout the league. Tonight, Chris Ross really exploded. Can you just give us a glimpse on what you think about his performance and what you have been seeing that just allows him to be this dominant?
Chris Ross has, I'm just very happy that Chris Ross has just practices after, he does his stay work after our practices. So you can see what happened. Every time he practices, I think he becomes luckier. So I guess his practice or his game work after practice proved good to him.
Thank you, Coach. CJ, lamang kayo ng 9 at the first half after leading by as many as 20. Paano nag-iba yung approach mo in the first half and in the second half as you really exploded in the third and fourth quarters?
11 points, not 9.
11,
Yeah,
sorry.
yun lang. Nung lamang ako ng 11,
I just go to
third, mag-second third. Medyo tumaas ang energy nila. Hindi namin mapaglaan. So, parang yung momentum nag-shift sa Magnolia. So, ayun, as merong mga veterans na sila Chris Ross, Marshall, talagang nag-control na mga at-at na
Eight and 0, no team has done this in 10 years. CJ, how did this game help you prepare for the physicality of what's to come in the next few games and in the playoffs?
For sure, yung target nasa amin yun. So, yung 8-0 is natin, kailangan namin sustain and consistent sa ginagawa natin sa practice at sa mga games natin.
At this point, we're opening the floor to the media.
Coach, your next game is against NLX, a team that is also
hungry for that touchdown. Yeah, I know. It's as what I told you when we played before we played Magnolia. This is also a team that is going for the twice to beat advantage. So it's good. It's good we won now. So we just have a foot there, and we just have to think of NX on Sunday. That's a team that wants also to get the twice to beat advantage.
Coach, how satisfied is it that you started out with yung mga games kasi kayo na nag-aabol kayo in the second half? How important was that one to start off on a good note?
Well, as what I said, yung bad games, yung bad start namin is because of long breaks. When we played Terra Terra, I think we had an 11-day break. When we played, what was it next? Converge, we had a 7 or a 10, sort of 10 days. So we just tend to be complacent about it. But it's good. Teams don't win first half, it's good we really bounced back on when we started bad. Those past 2 games, at least going to the second half. We just played San Miguel basketball and the results were there.
CJ, first game against Magnolia since game 6 of the National Cup Finals plus conference. And alam naman natin ang nangyari doon, naging finals na hindi ka. Tonight, ipakita ang leaders ko that first San Miguel. CJ, is there any other motivation when you face the options? Kasi it seems like every time you face Magnolia, you turn in a good performance.
Actually, sobrang challenging kalaban ng mga senior. Si Gatti, yung defense talaga, magkakahihilap hanggang saan yung kaya mo eh. And, ayun, siguro may mga times lang talaga na dati lang talaga. And, nagandamit ko yung mga tira ko. And, syempre, gusto ko lang maging consistent every game. Kahit sino kahit hindi mag-lola, bibigay ko yung best ko. Bibigay ko yung game ko naman. And syempre, ayaw ko sayamin ng taas na sa
Naramdaman mo ba mag-defense yung defense ng Magnolia compared to game 6?
Oo, first half pa lang.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you so much.
Habang mainit ang mga laman sa ating mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser or ang cellphone mapa-Android man o iOS. Gamitin lang ang inyong mobile number at huwag kalimutan ilagay sa promo code ang 1x on air. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayong magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo gamitin ang GCash account nyo para makapag-deposit or mag-cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.